STEAM lesson, Rocket Science. The book is Mousetronaut. It's read by an astronaut in the middle of the International Space Station, read to children. So this is a great story. Here's the link to it. Click on it and show this to your students. Here's a link for this poem. There's a little science, but mostly math. We're going to review these basic shapes, and with these shapes, the students are going to make a paper and straw rocket. Here's the video that shows you exactly what it's going to look like. Both of these, this one's more for you, but the kids can, watch it with you and understand how they're going to build their rocket. Same thing here. These are the vocabulary right here. Activity 1, building a rocket using 3D shapes. Students will create their own 3D shapes. Students will cut out one square. They'll cut this. All these shapes will be on one piece of paper and on a variety, so they can mix and match with their friends depending on how they want to design their rocket. They will cut out the the square, roll it very tightly on a pencil, creating a cylinder, and then tape it. The next one really should be this one right here. So what they're going to do is they're going to cut this shape out, then they're going to fold it in, and they're going to continue to make a cone. They're going to twist it on their finger pretty tight until it's a really sharp point, tape it, then they're going to tape onto the cylinder that they just made with this piece of square paper. These will be taped, the bottom, one on each side. Here's the directions. Once the rocket is completed, they'll put it on an L-shaped straw, the ones that have the little bend in the middle where you can bend it into an L shape. The rocket would be put on the short end, or it doesn't matter, I guess. They could try both. So put the rocket on the end and they blow, and it just flies into the air. And with that, they can keep track of theirs, make sure they put maybe their name on it somewhere so that they can locate theirs. And once it lands, they can use the tape measure to record the distance, and also record the difference between one flight after the other. The second activity is the Waffle Moon Rover. So each table will have an ice tray. I will have one already made, but they can add things to this. So it's their little moon rover. They're going to use an ice tray. This is a styrofoam tube that I will have there. They will need to attach this. They'll need to attach the balloon somehow. They will need to figure out how to attach these skewers, and the waffles will be there for them. So watch this link so that you can see this. It's really doesn't show you how to make it, but at least you can see what it looks like and see it in action. So I hope you have fun with rocket science. I want to ask you to save some of your best rockets that the students create here. They can make 2, but I need at least 3 or 4 from each class, because we're going to display these over at the admin building at the next school board meeting. Also, what I will also have, like you have this paper here that you rolled up on a pencil, I will also have larger paper that you can roll up on other items that are a lot larger than a pencil, same concept, but they can make different size rockets with different materials. So I will have several samples like I usually do there on the teacher table. So if you have any questions, give me a call or stop by, and I hope you have fun with rocket science.